Hello, everyone. Okay, so as we were doing the chapter number third, ruling the countryside of your class 8 history NCRT, so we were at the subtopic of the Munro system. Okay, so here the after the abolishment of permanent settlement, Ryotwari system came in south. Okay, so actually a new system was devised in south by Captain Alexander Red. Okay, Captain Alexander Red. He devised this policy. He tried this new system on a few parts of south, like the area on a very small scale, to just check that is that system works or not. So he basically tried on the areas of former whose former ruler was Tipu Sultan. Okay, so but after when he could flourish this policy in more areas of south. Just after that, he got changed, or he got followed by Thomas Munro, the next Governor General of India from 1819 to 1826. Sir Munro in the later history, if you will read, okay? So Sir Munro was the Thomas Munro. Okay. So what he did now when the Thomas Munro came, so he gave this policy a name Ryotwar, or you can say Riot War, okay? And he expanded this policy in whole South, and the Thomas Munro became the Governor General of Madras. So Madras used to cover most of the south areas of India. Okay, so he became the Governor General of Madras, and he expanded this policy in whole south. He did this. Now the question comes that what was in this policy? So actually, both of them, Captain Alexander Red and Thomas Munro, both had the same thinking that zamindars are not that traditional than cultivators. Means zamindars are quite newer. Means they have not seen the past of cultivators. They don't know anything. They don't know that much about Indian cultivators. So they thought, why don't they take revenue directly from Indian cultivators in spite of having a mediator as zamindars? So Indian cultivators named as riots. Okay, so you can refer that from riots it came as riot war. Means cultivators give will provide the only cultivators will provide the tax directly to the government. So that was it in this topic. Now the next topic comes, all was not well. Means what was the issue with this topic? The only issue with this topic that new systems were made to help peasants, but they were fixed too high revenue. Means but the Britishers used to fix the revenue prices too higher that you know they could not even pay those taxes to government, and they found it difficult to pay at least those taxes, those revenue to the government. So this system also flopped. Means didn't work. So this was it in this whole topic. I hope you got it. And if you have any questions or any doubts or any confusions, then please ask me in the comment box. I'm gonna answer them as soon as possible. Okay, so bye.